This is Michigan Constitutional Crusader. We're out here in Elkhart, Indiana. Out here with the Ministry of Accountability. And what's in this window is the other channel, his son's channel. We're going to see what they think of us here in Elkhart right now. Last time we were here, it was during the pandemic, and yeah, a lot of it was closed. Let's see, is there anything going on in this place? No, that place is closed. Here, right here.
Go to the other window. Right around the corner. Yeah, somebody beating on the window. Beating on the window. Yeah. Dude, get up and run away? Yeah, they did. I don't see them.
Next.
Wow. Well, they didn't break it.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? You can't just take pictures of people's offices.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
How's it going?
All right. Just old computers are recycled.
Yeah? No?
Can't really see nothing.
It's the prosecuting attorney's office.
Yeah.
Persecuting attorney.
The persecutor's office.
Persecutor's office.
Oh, this one you can see through.
Yeah.
outside of our building. There are 3 men videotaping inside the prosecuting attorney's office and all of us. One of them has called me names and raised his voice at me and told me that I was 301 South Main. Yes.
Recording started.
Yeah, actually one of them does. At least that I noticed. 2 of them.
Hey, Michelle, I'm gonna text my friend at the prosecutor's office and tell her to send an investigator.
Thank you. I'm sorry. They're all 3 videotaping currently. There's of us standing outside. I asked why they were videotaping inside of the prosecuting attorney's door, and the one man had started cussing and calling me names and told me to mind my own business.
That was funny.
Can you send an investigator down, please? Thank you.
Just about to be back. Recording.
No.
Alright. Bye. She's gonna say phone.
The one lady called the special investigator's office for the Sunday investigator down from the upstairs. The other one's on the phone with 911.
Oh, it's priceless.
Yeah.
Fucking people.
Your sweatshirt's alive.
Totally. Stay out here. Her business when I'm moving on the sidewalk.
Right?
She thinks it is. She's used. Yeah, she threatened to smash my phone. Take
Oh,
it away from
that's
her,
nice.
Smack it.
Threatened to break the law, and she works for the persecutors office.
Right.
That's
Community corrections.
brilliant.
Community corrections. She's used to telling people what to do.
Yeah.
I'm not on bond, so you don't get to tell me what to do.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah.
I should just went home for the day and minding the business.
Right.
She tried to talk over me, so I put her in her place.
Darn it, I missed it. You must be waiting for the Karen bus. Must have their own Karen transport system, you know, waiting for the Karen bus to show up, pick them all up.
Yep.
I think it's being explained right now.
That it is. That it is. Look at that. She's working at a computer and I can read everything on her computer screen.
Well, when will they learn to stop facing their computers towards the windows? So
I don't know. It's kind of stupid.
they're never going to learn. Let me see. I want to see.
Oh, she just shut it off and ran out of the room.
Oh, man.
But the computer's right there. I mean, the you know.
Oh, man.
Oh, actually, she left that little side screen
Oh,
turned
yeah,
on.
You're right. Yep.
I wonder what's on that.
I don't
Let's see.
know. Cool. They said they're scared to walk to their cars. They're going to wait for the police.
Wow, that's funny.
To escort them to their cars.
This one's tripping out. She keeps peeking.
Oh, yeah.
She's in that other room. If you go that way, see her right there? Now
Oh, yeah.
she's tripping.
I see her.
Maybe she's finally get fed up and gonna come close to blind. Nope.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, maybe she will.
Maybe they'll learn. Lines work. There you go.
Yep, there you
they
go.
Work. Imagine that. Holy cow.
Yep. Blinds are magical.
Aren't they?
Stairwell.
Footings, they were closed, all closed out. Yeah, the same building, office, prosecutor's office.
Oh, hello. That's a nice ride. I like the color. Yep. Absolutely. There you go. Express it any way you like. Have a great day. We mean no harm. There's nothing to be afraid of. There we go. She flipped me off. She exercised her First Amendment. Way to go. She got a temp tag. That's a brand new car. It's a sharp looking car. That lady with all the tats, she goes, "You like the First Amendment, right?" I'm like, "Yep." I'm like, right on, exercise your First Amendment. She flipped me off. I was like, cool. Have they showed up yet?
Yep.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they're over there.
Oh, okay. Let's walk up behind them. Probably the same place the fire truck's going.
You're probably right. They should probably go there too, to a real emergency.
Yeah. Oh, that's a fire rescue.
Yeah. Squad, as they call it.
Here comes another cop car.
Yeah.
We're gonna escort everybody. That's funny. Something big. Something big. Right. That's kind of amusing. Walking the ladies to their cars. Aw. The cameras are gonna bite if they're not walking them to their cars.
That's ridiculous.
It's stupid.
That's a good use of an Elkhart police resources, is to walk these ladies to their cars.
That's a waste.
What a waste.
Big waste.
Complete total waste of resources. They wonder why nobody trusts government. Look how they use their resources.
Right.
Ridiculous, I tell you.
Absolutely.
Ridiculous.
Yep. Fuck the police. He didn't like my birdie. Right. Yeah, I think that's probably where they're heading now.